What's up, crypto family? Hope you guys are having a great afternoon right now. I'm supposed to be doing a live with Moonbound and a few. I just been busy right now, but as you guys seen in the thumbnail, okay, JP and Morgan, they say crypto market rebound expected in August. Now, of course, we have been dealing with some delays with the Ethereum ETF. What's going on with that? But we have so-called, I don't know if you guys heard about this, but shout out to Crypto Dominance. He sent me a video that China is planning a attack on the US, and then Russia is trying to implement the election so Trump can win. The point is, what I'm coming from is we're going to have a lot of volatility, but it's going to push the market up. I don't believe that we should retrace a lot more further. The reason why, I was speaking to my neighbor, shout out to Nate. He was saying that, once Trump get into office, we should see a crazy super cycle. But with my knowledge and everybody else knowledge, that could play a big factor. Now, again, I'm not in politics. I'm just stating information to you guys. I'm not one sided or this sided. I'm neutral. So they're saying that with Trump going into office, bringing a lot of uh, these crypto companies in the United States to have it based in the United States, obviously, where we should see a super jump. Now, I stated super cycle, not because of the election, not because anything else, but how we have been pressured. The market has been pressured. It's like it's compressed. And once they let that go, it's going to shoot up. But let's get into the article right quick and show you guys. Before that, shout out to Chinsanity. Rest in peace to NFTs 2020 2024. Join me and my friends today on the Dogelon Mars space at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So you guys lock in. We pay our respects to the NFTs. Now, honestly, I don't really believe that we are like the NFTs are really dead because a lot of people invested a lot of money into the NFTs. So I just believe that we still have hope because hey, I put in a lot of money into a lot of these NFTs like the Marscapes of crypto.com and so on. And some of you guys have as well, like Bored Apes. Okay. But what I'm really into is why JP and Morgan says crypto market will rebound. Now you guys know JP and Morgan was so not bullish, they were so bearish on crypto. They said it will never invest into crypto, but now they are pointing out that crypto market will rebound. Okay, so as let's get to the article. Crypto market rebound expected in August. Liquidations to finish by July end. JP and Morgan. The bank reduces year-to-date crypto market net flow estimate to $8 billion due to decline in Bitcoin reserves across exchanges in the past month. The crypto market is expected to rebound from August onward, the report said. Let's get into it. The bank reduced its year-to-date crypto net flow estimate to $8 billion from $12 billion previously. The Wall Street firm said it was skeptical that the prior estimate of $12 billion will continue for the rest of the year, given how high Bitcoin was relative to its production costs or relative to the price of gold, the report said. The reduction in the estimated net flow is largely driven by the decline in Bitcoin reserves across exchanges over the past month because people are buying. They are buying up Bitcoin, not just Bitcoin. They are buying up a lot of these digital assets. Okay. Now, you're probably asking, Crypto Brown, what does it have to do with Dogelon Mars? Well, of course, we still have that Ethereum ETF situation that's supposedly supposed to happen, you know, sometime soon. I don't know the correct date, but they like to throw it up in the air when everybody is, off focused. But as you guys seen in the last video, when I noted that, a person invested $8,000 into Shiba Inu and they made $5.7 billion. Okay, we myself who invested about, I'm gonna be honest, about like 3 grand, just to be honest with you guys, because I got in early, so I have a good bag. But over the years, that's what I have put into Dogelon Mars. Now, again, as I stated, it sucks that when we're in this market, it retraces when, this is how they get you. They raise prices up, and you're spending on bills, you're paying this, you're paying that, and then when it comes back around where you just have a little bit of umph in the tank, then the prices drop. That's when you're like, dang, I needed to go ahead and get this for the house, but it's a priority. You understand what I'm saying? So I understand that most of you guys, I hope most of you guys are handling your priorities first, knowing that you already hold Dogelon Mars. Okay. But with that being said, with these institutions and whatnot, they are scrambling, they are accumulating, while we on the sidelines are like, struggling, to be honest, because we know the outcome of what Dogelon Mars can go. Now, as you guys seen, Dogelon Mars has been climbing up gradually. We're at 1511 right now. Okay, I mean, we were like to the lows 1300s. So that's the point of view I wanted to show you guys and let you guys know what JP and Morgan really bullish, and definitely is telling everybody that the crypto market is going to rebound back in August. That is a green flag. Now, as you guys seen, Justin Sun buys $5 million worth in Ethereum. Now, of course, a lot of us have our dislikes about Justin Sun, but one thing you have to understand is these people who have money, these institutions who have money, they are going to grab what they see as a opportunity because they see a bigger picture ahead of it. So I already know that I have a great opportunity, which is, grabbing Dogelon at these prices. But honestly, to be honest with you, I missed out on those prices. I missed out of the current year, 2024, in June and July when we went down to the low 1300s. Those was the great prices that I wanted to accumulate, and I could not. I couldn't. It was just too rough for me. Again, I'm just like you guys. I'm just a retail investor who works every day. I don't got millions of dollars. I work a 9 to 5, and it's like, this is the reason why I'm not just talking about different tokens or all this other stuff. You get what I'm coming from? It's just, I'm in this space with you guys. Like, hey, same financial situation. You know what I'm saying? You may be in a better situation than I am, but I do know I do hold a good amount of Dogelon Mars and also other digital assets that I have been accumulating from 2020. So once again, I appreciate you guys tapping in, locking in with me in this YouTube journey. But our time is now. Best thing, like what I tell everybody, stop looking at the charts. Do you want to know how you will figure out and want to know how these tokens are flying? You're going to hear it on the radio. You're going to hear it on the news. You're going to hear your co-workers talking about it. Or you may hear your mom, dad, or whoever say, hey, did you see Bitcoin went up to 250,000? So you already know if Bitcoin's at 250,000, you already know Dogelon is up there. It's up there. So hopefully later on today, shout out to Moonbound. We're going to do a live. Tap in, lock in, and